Do have Wauchula at 65, but everybody else really in Central Florida starting off in the 70s again. Onshore wind flow, mild, very muggy out there. It's a very similar start to yesterday, and we're going to have a similar finish as well. So if you were in the mid 80s yesterday, you're doing it again. If you were in the lower 90s east of I-75, you're going to do it again as well. Interesting thing, today will be humid, tomorrow will be humid, Sunday will not be humid. Look at the difference. After this front comes through Saturday night, when you wake up on Sunday, it's going to feel drier, it's going to feel nicer. With that said, both Saturday and Sunday will be very windy days, though. This front is just draped across I-10 from Jacksonville back to the Houston area, and right along with this low is picking up some hefty showers. And we're going to see a lot of rain in parts of southeast Texas and for Louisiana today. For us, our rain comes tomorrow afternoon and evening. Today, beautiful. Look, 3 o'clock this afternoon, partly cloudy skies, maybe a little breezy, especially along the coast. Temperatures, mid to upper 80s for Tampa, lower 90s inland. Tomorrow morning starts off fine. Tomorrow afternoon will be very windy out ahead of this line of showers and thunderstorms. And a few days ago, it looked like all this rain was coming Sunday, and we were going to get a lot of it. Now, we're not going to get a lot of it, and it's coming on Saturday, but I want to caution folks. This line of thunderstorms, there's enough energy to produce a couple of strong to severe storms tomorrow afternoon and evening, especially north of Tampa. Okay, and then once we get into the overnight hours, everything's going to push southward. So you wake up on Sunday, and then Sunday morning, sun shines back. Everything is looking beautiful. So I think Sunday is actually going to be a very, very nice day. Look at these wind gusts on Saturday afternoon, close to 40 miles per hour, which means, yes, we're not going to be boating tomorrow. And more than likely, we'll have those small craft advisories issued as well. So that's one aspect of our Saturday forecast, is it's going to be a very windy day. Then, as that line of rain and storms moves into the area, this yellow is a slight chance for severe weather, and then a marginal risk in the Tampa area. The primary threat would be damaging gusty winds. Whenever you're dealing with thunderstorms, you can never rule out a very isolated tornado or some hail, but primary wind gusts would be, primarily it would be the wind gusts would be the threat. As far as rainfall goes and the accumulation in the rainfall, come on, Matt, you got this. Come on, you can do it. Maybe not. We're not going to get a ton of rain is what I'm trying to tell you. And we'll probably get a little less than an inch for most of us as that line comes through, and then it's done. And then our next chance of rain after that won't be till latter portion of next week. So we're not going to get a ton of rain out of this, but we'll get a little something for you. My only concern for those out and about tomorrow afternoon would be, as that the storms come through, will be some very gusty winds. So we'll just keep an eye out for that and keep your Sky Tower radar app on. Today, partly cloudy, breezy, warm, and humid with highs mid to upper 80s, a couple of lower 90s inland. Mild and muggy tonight with a low of 73. Tomorrow's going to be a very windy day with some late day rain, some thunderstorms. As I mentioned, a few of those could be on the strong to severe side as well. So you will want to check in tomorrow morning with Valerie, and I'm thinking just to make sure Valerie's working. Yes, Valerie's working tomorrow morning. Today will be a light chop, but choppy tomorrow and Sunday. Honestly, it's not going to be a great boating weekend. Sorry about that. But next week will be amazing. We're back to the mid 80s on Monday and Tuesday, and the upper 80s on Wednesday and Thursday.